What is up, guys? It is me once again with another video. This video took me a while to upload. Just been busy with work and other stuff going on, life stuff. So I'm bringing you guys another unboxing slash, I don't know, review, look, whatever you want to call it, um, of some Kobe's that I have here. Let's take a look at the tag here. These are the Zoom Kobe 3 SL. As you guys can see, all the information is on there. Um, these retail for 130, and I was able to find these in dead stock condition, and the box is really, really well taken care of. These shoes were really, really taken care of, especially for their age. As you guys can see, I have some other shoes right there. But today's review includes these. So, I do not know much information about these ones as far as, um, being that they are what I was told, the MVP Kobe edition, I believe that's why that's on the tongue there. Um, but yeah, this is the only pair of Kobe 3s that I do own. I'm not a big Kobe 3 fan of the model, but if I were to pick, I would pick these because of this colorway. Or the other pair that I am also looking for is the all black pair with the white swoosh on the back. That pair I think is really, 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 really good looking, and um, I'm gonna be on the hunt for that one. Although this model is really rare to find, really hard to find nowadays because it is a Kobe 3. It is, really older model version of his since he signed with Nike, and most of these older shoes, whether it's a Kobe 1, Kobe 2, Kobe 3, older versions are really hard to find, especially desktop. So, yeah, here's a really up close look at this shoe. This is a really beautiful shoe, though, especially um, the thing that I like about this model is that I found it in desktop position. Desk, excuse me, dead stock. I don't know why I keep saying desktop. Dead stock condition, and this shoe surprisingly has not yellowed. If you guys can take a look, most of the other copies that I have bought dead stock have some type of yellowing, especially in the midsole and stuff like that, and these surprisingly do not. I got these for a really, really good price, a really good steal. I believe I paid, I want to say 200 for these, and there was a guy that was getting rid of his Kobe collection and just needed some quick cash. And yeah, once in a while you come across those guys that are just in need of getting rid of their shoes and need of money. And I was able to actually buy these and some other pairs from him, so I'm really happy about that. Especially because he was so kind enough to hold these for me till I got off work and had to go pick them up here locally. So um, yeah, I'll give you guys a little, um, I guess, camera roll all around the shoe, as you guys can see. So it is an all white shoe, and it does have hints of course, that little midsole um, yellow stripe that goes all the way to the toe box, and then all the way around to the other side of the toe box. It has a big Nike swoosh on the back with the Mamba logo, and then the Zoom, and then the sole has some of that carbon fiber right there, right in the middle, with the purple heel, um, little color blocking there. So I know for sure once you wear these a couple times, the toe box does tend to crease quite a bit. So I don't know when I'll get around to actually wearing these. I'm not a big um, high top fan of shoes like this, but I know um, that this, especially since I don't have any Kobe threes and this is my first, I did not mind paying 200 for a high top shoe like this, especially with the meaning that this has around it and stuff like that. So, I mean, yeah, like I said, I found this guy and he kept his shoes really, really clean. I think the other pairs of shoes that I did buy off him were also dead stock except one, and yeah, he was just throwing out deals and steals, and the box, as you guys can see, the box is in really good condition. It's pretty much like these just came out yesterday. So I'm really happy when I bought these, and yeah, man, there's a review. Oh, I didn't know there's a little switch at the top till now, but yeah, there's a little switch at the top. Let me know what you guys think about these, because or if you guys have any more info on these. I'm not, like I said, I'm not very knowledgeable on Kobe threes and even Kobe twos or anything like that, but I know for sure that these do had to do something with this MVP season that he had, and these are my size, 10 and a half. I don't know if it's focusing there, but these are 10 and a half. There you go, and there's more of that info, and yeah, man. So there's a look at those, and let me know what you guys think about these. I don't know if there's any other videos on these. Actually, I'm doing more research on YouTube, and I'm actually finding more people that actually do have some nice Kobe collections. I'm still looking for a couple rare pairs, and another one, as you guys can see, and I don't know if I mentioned in my other videos, it is the Barcelona. No, not the Barcelona. It is the mangoes of the Kobe sixes. So I have those Barcelonas. I just need the mangoes, and I am so. There's gonna be another um, video that I make on these Christmas Kobe fours, because those were one of my girls that I was looking for a long time in my size. So yeah, um, that is that. Let's see. And yeah, I think he had actually got this pair from Goat, because when I bought them, it came with this card, a Goat card. So I don't know how much he paid, but he gave me a good, really good deal on them, and I'm just really happy that I was able to find them. I'm pretty sure he bought these when the Kobe hype was kind of died down for a while, which was, I believe, right after he retired, maybe like that first couple months. I know a lot of Kobe's, even before the Pro Drills were releasing. I know a lot of Kobe's were um, down in price. So I'm really glad I was able to pretty much get these for a really good steal. And yeah, I mean, all I can suggest for you guys is to keep on the lookout for these type of people that are getting rid of their collections, or um, need some extra cash, are tired of hoarding, or tired of or I mean, just life hits you and you need to kind of make make extra income or anything like that, or just kind of move on with the shoe collection stuff. So I appreciate you guys taking a look at my videos. I know I've said I was gonna upload every week or even every 2 times a week, but like I said, I've been really busy, and I still have quite a bit of shoes to upload that I wanna make videos for. So um, be on the lookout for that. And yeah, man. I appreciate you guys for watching. I know this channel is not as exciting as all the other channels, but I hope this kind of gives you a little insight of how some of these shoes do look. And I know they don't make these anymore, and I don't know what Nike's gonna um, uh, continue to do going forward of any releases. And I know I've seen a lot of pictures on Kobe Force with NBA players wearing them on feet. So hopefully Nike does do something with the Kobe 4s, because that was one of my favorite models, and it still is. So hopefully we get some type of IDs or really nice colorways. I know the undefeated Kobe 4s are coming out, I believe, in August. So if you guys haven't seen the colorway for that, it is a green pair with, I believe, a gray a sock liner inside. So if you guys don't know or haven't seen those, make sure you do some research. I've seen a lot of pictures on IG floating around on those, and it's a really nice shoe. But I know a lot of Kobe fans that I've talked to aren't really too happy, being that it is a green colorway. So we'll see what happens, and yeah, I hope Nike does continue releasing these, because um, can never have too many Kobe's, I guess. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.